Hypnotic words in English and their impact. Certain words in English have a natural ability to captivate, persuade, or deeply influence a listener. These words, often described as hypnotic, work by evoking strong emotions, painting vivid mental pictures, or subtly guiding thought processes. They're frequently used in advertising, storytelling, and even therapy to grab attention and create a sense of connection. Here's a look at some of the most powerful hypnotic words, their effects, and how they're used.
1. Imagine. Why it's hypnotic. This word invites the listener to engage their imagination, creating a vivid mental picture. Example: imagine yourself relaxing on a serene beach, the sound of waves lulling you into peace. Effect: encourages the listener to visualize scenarios, making ideas more relatable and personal. 2. You. Why it's hypnotic. Directly addresses the listener, making the communication feel personal. Example: you deserve to feel calm and in control. Effect: creates a sense of intimacy and involvement, drawing the listener into the experience. 3. Because. Why it's hypnotic. It provides reasoning and creates a sense of logic, even if the reasoning isn't profound. Example: you'll feel better because this method works naturally with your body. Effect: triggers an automatic acceptance of the explanation, enhancing persuasion. 4. Now. Why it's hypnotic. Adds urgency and directs focus to the present moment. Example: now, take a deep breath and let the tension fade away. Effect: encourages immediate action or attention, anchoring the listener in the here and now. 5. Discover. Why it's hypnotic. Implies uncovering something valuable or exciting. Example: discover the secret to effortless confidence. Effect: sparks curiosity and motivates exploration. 6. Free. Why it's hypnotic. Appeals to the listener's sense of value and opportunity. Example: get your free guide to mastering relaxation techniques. Effect: attracts attention and creates a feeling of receiving a benefit without risk. 7. Secret. Why it's hypnotic. Plays on curiosity and exclusivity. Example: unlock the secret to lasting happiness. Effect: engages the listener by offering access to privileged or unknown information. 8. Relax. Why it's hypnotic. Encourages a physical and emotional state of calm. Example: relax and let go of all your worries. Effect: directs the listener's attention to achieving a sense of tranquility. 9. Effortless. Why it's hypnotic. Promises ease and simplicity, reducing resistance. Example: achieve effortless success in your goals. Effect: appeals to the desire for results without struggle. 10. Proven. Why it's hypnotic. Establishes trust by highlighting credibility and reliability. Example: this proven method has helped thousands find peace. Effect: reassures the listener that the information is backed by evidence or results. 11. Safe. Why it's hypnotic. Addresses the need for security and reassurance. Example: this is a safe and natural way to improve your well-being. Effect: reduces fear or doubt, encouraging openness to the idea. 12. Power. Why it's hypnotic. Evokes strength, control, and potential. Example: unleash the power of your mind to achieve your goals. Effect: inspires confidence and ambition. 13. Unlimited. Why it's hypnotic. Suggests boundless possibilities and freedom. Example: tap into unlimited potential with these techniques. Effect: creates excitement and a sense of endless opportunities. 14. Instantly. Why it's hypnotic. Appeals to the desire for immediate results. Example: feel calmer instantly with this simple method. Effect: reduces hesitation by promising quick outcomes. 15. Yes. Why it's hypnotic. Reinforces agreement and positive feelings. Example: yes, you can achieve your dreams. Effect: encourages alignment and openness to suggestions. How to use hypnotic words effectively. Context matters. Choose words that fit the emotional and psychological state of your audience. Pair with storytelling. Stories make hypnotic words more impactful by providing relatable scenarios. Use moderately. Overusing these words can dilute their effectiveness. By understanding and incorporating these hypnotic words into your communication, you can connect more deeply with others, inspire action, and create lasting impressions.